In this video, we are diving into a super important concept, polynomials, a favorite on the SAT math section. We will go over exactly what polynomials are and how to add, subtract, multiply, and factor them. Plus, we will explore two key theorems the SAT loves to test, the remainder theorem and the factor theorem. Whether you are aiming for a perfect math score or just trying to boost your confidence, this is a must-know topic. A polynomial is an algebraic expression made up of terms which includes some variables raised to a whole number exponent and also few constants. For example, if we have 3x squared plus 2x minus 5, the powers here are whole numbers, hence it is a polynomial. If you consider 1 over x plus 2, that is not a polynomial because 1 over x is x to the power minus 1, so it is a negative exponent. Similarly, if you consider cube root of x plus 4, here cube root of x is x to the power 1/3, so which is not a whole number, hence again not a polynomial. Also, when we think of the terms in a polynomial, we need to think of the sign as well. We need to always include the sign in front of the term. So in the example, 3x squared plus 2x minus 5, 3x squared is the first term, 2x is the second term, and negative 5 is the third term. If you miss the negative symbol, then you are going to be wrong. Also, the highest power of the variable in a polynomial tells the degree of the polynomial. So this is a degree 2 polynomial, or we also call it quadratic. Next, let us think of adding and subtracting polynomials. The key idea here is to combine the like terms. For example, if you're adding these two polynomials, so you add 3x squared with x squared to get 4x squared, and 4x and negative 5x will give me negative x, negative 2 and positive 6 will give me positive 4. Similarly, we could also subtract the polynomials. 5x squared minus 2x squared would be 3x squared. Negative 3x minus x would be negative 4x. Be careful when you have negative. So positive 1 minus of minus 4 would be positive 5. This is how we add and subtract polynomials in an easy way. For multiplication of polynomials, we could apply the distributive property. For example, if you want to multiply two linear polynomial expressions, 2x plus 3 and 4x minus 5. So first we'll multiply 2x with the second polynomial expression. And then similarly, we multiply 3 with again the second polynomial expression. So if you further simplify, you get some like terms. By adding those terms, we get the final answer. Similarly, again, we could multiply 2x minus 1 and x squared plus x plus 3, again by applying the distributive property. So we'll multiply 2x with the polynomial, and then we'll multiply negative 1 again with the same polynomial expression. So after further simplification, we again add or subtract the like terms and get the final answer. Now, for factoring polynomials, we can apply the algebraic identities. Suppose we have x squared minus y squared or a squared minus b squared. We could factorize it as a plus b times a minus b. And if it is a quadratic polynomial, we can split the middle term and factorize it as x plus 2 times x plus 3.